Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you the power of anti-aging of turmeric and potatoes, and it's super effective to look 10 years younger than your age. It is super effective in removing wrinkles and filling wrinkles and fine lines. It's a natural collagen to boost the collagen production in your skin and to fill in any fine lines and wrinkles. It's anti-aging secret that works 100%. The first ingredient we will need is 1 potato, and here I peeled off the skin of the potato and cleaned it totally, and then we need to shred it like so or grate it. After grating around 2 teaspoons of fresh potato, we need to strain it. Once we strain it, we're gonna get the fresh potato juice. Add on it 2 teaspoons of rice flour. Then add on it 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Then we need half lemon. Then we need a pinch of turmeric powder and mix well all the ingredients. Now our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin and leave it to dry out completely, and then rinse it with cold water. And my friends, then moisturize your skin and you will notice a great results from first use. It removes the wrinkles and fine lines and will get you 10 years younger than your age. By using that remedy, store it in the fridge for up to 1 week, and it's going to be good to use every day. And my friends, the result will amaze you. This is super effective method and super effective remedy.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.